What is up, guys? It's Saturday and I'm on my way over to Zach's place. We have got some pretty awesome stuff that we'll be unboxing for our team and for Zach's shop. So come on, let's check it out. Alright, and here we are, so we'll get right to it.
I know.
Oh, sick.
Yeah, I was just hoping to kind of kick it back there and then we'll just shove it down the ramp and you can.
At some point we'll do a shop feature, although that's pretty much all you need to see. This place is sweet.
Yeah, you got room over here. What a cheesy pallet.
There we go. Roll it! Woo! That's it.
Okay, here.
Oh yeah!
Damn, that thing's heavy too.
Fuck.
I always felt bad for these guys that trailers took these to drifting and it's
right. Where's the crowbar at?
Round one, fight! You win!
The only thing I'm bummed about is it doesn't go small enough to do the mini truck wheels.
Oh, that's so exciting.
You got a little holder for this. Yeah. You got a key holder.
Oh, I got ran off the road by a semi.
Whoa!
Yeah. I mean, he would have wiped me the fuck out. I mean, I was in the middle of his trucking trailer setup. Like, he just blatantly didn't look and turn, no signal. We were doing like 82 miles an hour.
Are you actually gonna bolt this to the concrete or just let it float?
No, we're just gonna throw it over there. I
That's
don't think it's gonna move.
No, it's so heavy, it's not gonna go
This
anywhere.
thing's supposed to weigh 700 pounds, so unless we decide we need to, I wasn't planning on taking it anywhere.
I mean, if we do, it's gonna be some badass event like across the country.
Yeah. But we'd have to be going far to make it worth it.
We would, yeah.
It's up to you guys whether you think we should manhandle it or we can use that or get it something else. Get it off.
Alright, well that's off anyway.
That's good enough.
And we'll keep it a little ways away from us. We can probably just build it right there instead of get it too close to the wall.
And a bar.
Oh, great.
Oh, we bought bars.
I just bought some, so now we have 3.
Oh.
So now we can wrestle some 195s on like a 12 or something.
Oh, I did bring a KT sticker to christen it.
Oh, there you go.
That's sweet. It was like the perfect size.
As if you sized it for that.
It's a total coincidence.
Like you took the measurement.
Yeah.
I may. Maybe move the assembly off and then we'll wrestle it from there. I was wanting to chain one end up with that and use a ratchet strap on the other end.
you know, getting into drifting, you're like, God, this is so expensive. I have to buy tires. If you buy a truck and a trailer and a lift and a tire machine.
Alright,
How many pounds are these straps rated to?
Oh, like 3,000.
Okay.
That was my question. I was like, how much can these hold?
I think mine are like 1,400 or something, but oh wait.
Just kind of envisioning us doing some sort of like
Yeah.
with it.
Yeah. I just looked at it and it said 3,333 pounds.
I'm envisioning this just snapping and popping one of us in the face.
Oh fuck! I'm gonna stand on the quad side.
The instructions, I shouldn't need those, right?
That's exactly what I was thinking.
You're about to take yourself out. Oh shit! I cannot believe that is working. This is sweet. We got a tire machine, we got a lift. Things are coming along at Kame Garage number 2.
Apparently they're really easy to build. There's not a whole lot to it. You basically stand these up, bolt the top stuff together. The lines you just connect, the fittings, it's all basically already
I don't
plumbed.
have to like pressurize anything.
I mean, there's like no... Jack's got
Jack's holding it up right now, yeah.
So...
Alright, I'm gonna slam it down. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Job.
Yeah, I think we're gonna. So, we'll go. Yeah, if you just want to walk that one down, we'll kind of wait for you to get to our level. I think we can taken 10 seconds with a force push.
It wouldn't have been nearly as fun.
Yeah.
Or dangerous.
That's it. Hey, that should work. This looks like something we would make for a seat bracket.
I know, right? That's what I was like, I was like, hey man, use that. Yeah.
Oh, we have to pick this part up to get this off. Make sure you lift with your back in a sharp upward wrenching motion.
Yeah, I would like to arch my back way over with.
It's the cat technique. I learned it in East Asia.
We'll just have to watch out for the ceiling beams because we can't just stand down on the ground. We kind of have to raise it where it needs to be. There's a sticker. We put a sticker on it.
Miata for sale, hit us up in the comments.
Yeah.
Feel like the fucking statue of the soldiers doing the Iwo Jima or whatever.
Yeah. Cool. That is amazingly easier than you would think it would be.
It really
I
is.
feel like it helps that that's the heavy part.
Yeah, it does. That's very true. That's kind of cool. Heck yeah. 2017 model. It's the newest. It's the newest machine in here.
Yeah.
How many decades before a car newer than that ends up on
Yeah. I can't wait to be able to like pull the drivetrain out of a car and drop the cradle.
Yeah.
We're about to do that
Yeah.
with James's car, right?
Yeah.
And that wraps it up. We'll be getting things cleaned up and more later.
If you're, well, you're not hooking up right now.
Not really. I mean, we can put air to it and stuff. But
Did you? Okay, yeah, you hooked up.
yeah, I got all that.
Okay.
That stuff was plumbed up to only really route one way, so it should be good.